Welcome to Miss J's math class. Today we'll be covering samples and populations in statistics. Going to the grocery store is a good way to learn about the people who live in your neighborhood. In statistics, everyone in this grocery store is considered a population. A population is an entire group of individuals or items that you are interested in studying. When the population is too large or too difficult to study, we use a sample group. A sample could be a group of customers randomly selected to participate in a survey. The information we get from a sample survey can be used to gather data and make inferences about the broader population. Here's an example. Workers at a grocery store notice the ink on the customer's receipts is sometimes too smudged to read. The manager wants to know how widespread the problem is, but inspecting each receipt would be very difficult. Instead, the manager randomly checks receipts to check for smudge marks. 100 randomly chosen customers were selected for their receipts to be spot checked. 54% were found to have smudge marks. Predict the total number of customers that will have smudge marks out of 250 customers. Remember, the information about a sample can be used to gain information about the population. Can you find 54% of 250 customers? First, we'll need to convert 54% into a decimal. We do that by dividing 54 by 100 to get 0.54. Next, we'll multiply the decimal 0.54 by the new number of total customers, which is 250. This means out of 250 customers, about 135 of them would have receipts with smudge marks, which is still 54% of the total customers. Let's try one more. My TikTok page produces 150,000 views each week. In a random sample of 400 views, 21 have watched the entire video. Predict the total number of views that made it through the whole video. Do you remember how to find the new total? First, we'll need the percent or decimal of the sample. 21 out of 400 views were full views in the sample. 21 divided by 400 is 0.05 or 5%. If you need help with conversions, check out the video Converting Fractions, Decimals, and Percents. Next, we'll multiply the decimal 0.05 by the total, which is 150,000. This means out of 150,000 views, only 7,500 of them made it through the entire video. I guess I'll have to figure out how to get more people to watch the full videos. Luckily, you made it to the end of this video. Did you find this video useful? If so, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos